Hey everyone, this is Twinkle and today I'll show you how I achieved this simple yet glam look which is wearable almost everywhere. So yeah, first of all I applied primer to fill in my open pores. Then I started with concealer because I am facing a lot of acne marks and dark spots. So I am first covering that and blending it with a damn beauty blender. Then I started applying foundation, a liquid foundation in dots. I took the same blender and started blending it. This is the initial stage and the most important stage of the look. So always blend properly and take your time. After blending foundation, I applied extra wherever needed because it's not a full coverage foundation. So it was needed and I applied and started blending again. Now I'm concealing my under eyes and all the required areas. Then I'm setting the base with compact powder by just brushing it. Putting some blush and bronzer. And a good amount of highlighter. Now coming to the eyes, I am first filling in with my eyebrows and keeping eye very simple. Starting transition with a light coral shade. Blending it well and applying a shimmer highlighter on my lids all over. That's it. Putting black winged eyeliner, it's very basic. And then applying good 3 to 4 coats of mascara, followed by lashes. Now for this look I am choosing a very light red shade which is matching to my outfit. You can choose any and I am done. Hope you like this look and video. If yes, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. I'll see you in my next video and don't forget to subscribe. See you.